Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. Today we're looking at the Quad Lock Pro. Alright, I got an upgrade. My last cell phone motorcycle mount was the Ram X mount. Super disappointed in that mount. It was the first camping trip I went on, and that little bullshit rubber thing they give you to wrap around the phone, dude, that broke on the first trip. So fuck that. But now the Ram X mount guts now hold my GoPro whenever I'm riding, and so I'm stoked to try this. So everything I got here, I got the, I should say, not sponsored. Everything I got the handlebar mount Pro. I've got the phone case, and this is the mag case, so it's supposed to be slimmer. I've got the mag head wireless charger, and I also went for the vibration dampener. So this may not be necessary, but I figured if, you know, at some point I'd like to get into the ADV thing, and maybe this might come in handy. So let's get the parts opened up. Get this open first. Pull. Not that hard, stupid. All right, looks like we got different, for different diameter bars, shims. Got the bolt, got a tool, and we got the quad lock. Cool, pretty excited to get that on the bike. Warranty. This is the wireless charging portion. Son of a bitch. So cable out the bottom, cord. Boxes are kind of crazy. The dampener. That's cool. And the iPhone case. Alright, I'm not going to let you watch me struggle getting that on, because it's going to be a bugger. Got the phone and the phone case. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Done it now. Cool. Let's get parts on the bike. All right. So I got the 1 1/4 shim on here, which is just, seems just about as big as it can go. Seems pretty legit. So you get the Pro version of this is this machined aluminum, which is cool. Feels like a good build quality. All right, not gonna get crazy. I'd like to get the other attachments on there before clocking it. So I believe the dampener is next. So if you read directions, it might say that that's backwards, but you'd have to read directions to learn that. So the mag charger replaces this little push clip. So it's got the same little geared things. And my cord's gonna plug in down there. So I'll probably go down, maybe go around the bar a few times. try that out. The damper is a lot more responsive than I would have guessed. So now the idea is so this doesn't actually lock into place. I'm definitely gonna have to adjust it down. Wow. Is that strong enough? Interesting. I'll bring it around to this side. Let me see. Kind of a lot of flex in it. Man. I don't know. That doesn't take anything to get off there. Well, shit. Only one way to find out. All right. Don't fail me now. Oh, it says it's charging. That's a win. Well, mission successful. She held. Super stoked. It's a pretty nice design. Looks clean. Seems sturdy. And early on in the video I mentioned maybe being able to swap this on and off a different bike, like an adventure bike or something. I don't think I would keep the mag only portion on it if I did that. Luckily I could still use the locking version. It's no charge, but yeah, I don't think that mag will hold up to an ADV environment. It's fine on pavement with my Harley. So far I'm happy with it. We'll see how it holds up on a full long trip. But so far I recommend it.